Hello friends, welcome to this session of learning R programming, and in this session we are going to learn how to install R programming and RStudio. Now first I will search in my browser for R programming download, and I will click on this first hit, and here I will click, and download has been started, and this download is there in my default download folder, which is download folder of my computer. I will wait for some time for the installation file to get downloaded, and then I will go to download folder, and here that file is there. I will double click on it and the installation will start. Yes, give all the permissions. Next it will install in the directory, and the folder already exists because I have installed it already, but I will install it again. I will say yes and will click next again. Customize startup, accept defaults. I will go for accept defaults. Next, and the installation is started, and the installation is continued. I'll wait for a while for the installation to complete. And R programming, you can use the GUI of R programming itself, but that GUI is not much useful because it doesn't offer much help for programming. For the beginners, RStudio is the Now we'll install RStudio, and for that in my browser I am typing RStudio download. Click here and click on this link to get the download page, and here search for RStudio, install RStudio, and click on this link. Your installation file download will start, and this is RStudio 24467exe, and it is getting downloaded in your download folder. It will take some time. And now download is complete. I will open the download folder. Here that download file is there, downloaded file is there. This is installation file. I will double click on that to start installation. I will click yes and give all the permissions for the program to get installed. I will click install. Installation is starting. RStudio provides many facilities, therefore it takes little more time to get installed. Installation has finished. Click finish, and now you are ready to use RStudio. And here in search window of Windows, I will type RStudio to open that. I will click here and RStudio will open. This is the banner opposite, the company which is hosting RStudio, developing RStudio, and here this is the interface of RStudio. This is console pane, and here all the computations which you do will take place. You can write code also here, but this code will not remain. You cannot save that for further use. This is just for temporary use. Then here the environment window is there where your recently created objects will be stored, and here the plots, files, packages, and all those panes are there which you can use for coding R. But mostly you will use this console, and you will use the script window. To get the script window, click file, new file, and then R script. A script window will start. Here this script, when you start coding here, keep on saving that script at your desired location, and give a specific name also to that file, so that that file can be used for further use. Now at this moment we'll just check whether our RStudio is working or not. For that I am typing here plot. Plot is a function, and in bracket of that function I am typing a dataset name iris, and this dataset is bundled with R for learning purpose. I will run this to line. To run this line, I will click here and then go for run button, or use control enter as the keyboard shortcut. Keep pressing control and then press enter. The code will run, and this is the output of that code, and therefore this shows me that my RStudio installation and my R programming installation is working properly. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share this video with your friends, and comment in the comment section. If you want to ask some questions to me about R programming, you can ask those in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.